So I thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to replace the batteries in one of these key fobs from Ford vehicles. Mine is a 2017 Explorer, but I'm sure they use them in other vehicles too. It's for their push-button keyless start system. I've been getting errors on the dashboard occasionally that say no key detected. I really don't think it's the batteries. I think there's certain places I go in town that have something that interferes with the signal because it works some places and not others. But it only costs a few dollars to change the batteries out anyway and see if that's, helps with the problem. So the first thing you need to do to get into one of these key fobs is you look right here. There's a thing that looks like a little switch, and you get hold of the edge of that. There's actually a little slot in the middle, so don't grab the end. Grab it in the slot, and then just pull that back, and the back cover will just open right up. There's your key in there for manually unlocking the door if you need to. I'll pop that out because if you don't, it'll just fall out anyway. Then you grab a coin, and in the bottom edge here, away from where the keychain loop is, there's a little slot. You stick a coin in there, give it a twist, and it'll pop. Twist it the other way to pop the other corner. Yeah, it's going to be stubborn now. You can stick the coin under the edge and pop it if you have to. Now you'll see that it's kind of cracked open here, but it still doesn't want to come out. That top edge seems to stay hooked in there. But I found that all you have to do is squeeze the bottom edge once you've got the bottom open, and the top edge pops right out. So you take that, open that up. There's your batteries in here. Nice shiny looking batteries. Take a little screwdriver or something here and reach in there and pop that out. There's two batteries in here separated by this white plasticky thing. You have to keep that, and you have to put that back between the batteries properly. So there's the old batteries out. Take your new batteries. Mine came with little stickies on them, so if yours have little stickies on them, be sure to remove that or it won't work. So off with the little stickies. Pick that piece of paper thing or plastic thing back up. And what's that actually say? It says the bottom one has to have the plus going up that way. Stick the edge in towards the contact first. I'm going to be neat here and wipe the fingerprints off. Put the little plastic thing back between the batteries. Take the other new one, and it says on that one the minus has to be up, so put that in back in that way. Yep, that's down solid. Clean the fingerprints off again. Take this half. Okay, it goes this way. Put the top corner back in by the key loop part there and snap that in. Snap the bottom end back in. That's got to be stubborn when I'm doing the video. There it goes. Put your key back in. Hook the bottom end of the key back in the hole first. Then you take this thing, hook this end back in by the key loop where it hinged out before. Snap it back together, and that should be it. It should be ready to go. We'll see if it lights up or anything when I do stuff. Ha! It worked. So if you found this video useful, please click the thumbs up. Go ahead, click the thumbs down if you didn't like it. Any interaction with my channel helps. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from me in the future. Thank you for watching.